Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is actually the day after Christmas, so I do have a day off work and I'm going to get some things done on the M3. We have a box from ECS, FCP, and just parts all around that are going on the car. So without further ado, I have time to film on the DSLR today, so hopefully the quality is better. We're going to jump right into it. I'll show you what we got and what the plans are today. See what we got in here. 15s, so we do have 15s for the front. We will be using these today and throwing them on the car. We got a bunch of extended lug nuts in this box for the spacers, of course. Now this, you guys will all know what this is. And finally, one of these guys. I don't know why it took me so long to pick one of these up, but we have it today and it's going to be very useful. Alright, this is as simple as it gets, really. This is a jack pad adapter, and this is going to go on the side skirt over here. We pop the cap, put this in instead of putting the jack under the rocker panels, and hopefully this should give us enough clearance to where I don't need to put the car on 2x4s to jack it up every time. It's a little annoying, especially when you're doing everything by yourself. It's a little tough to line everything up, so hopefully this will come in handy today, and I'm really stoked to use it. So that is what we got from ECS. It's dark over here, but these are the schnitzers, all covered up, kept safe. In here we have lots of stuff from FCP. I will bring these out into the light and we will put all this stuff on the car today as well. Alright guys, so I've just adjusted the coilovers on the car. But here is the extended lug. Here is the old one. Obviously, lengths are different, needed for that 15 mil we're about to throw on there. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, well, I do think this is a cool look. I don't think this is gonna fly. I would like to turn. So I'm gonna have to raise it up a little bit, but it is still gonna tuck some tire. I just think that's too much. I also want to be able to drive it. So anyways, it looks really mean. Zoom out for you. I mean, it looks pretty solid. The 15 is definitely the right size, but now I just gotta fine tune it. Super aggressive. I like the way it fits, but like I said, I'm gonna pull it up a little bit more. Alright, so the car is back on the ground. I just showed you some B-roll clips. Pardon the noise, I don't have a microphone still, but I'm very stoked. We got the car to where it sits pretty good. It's a very conservative fitment. It'll drive, it'll turn, it'll do all that stuff. I haven't taken it down the driveway yet, but we will see what that ends up being like. There's a few other things I want to put on the car while I have the chance, while there's still daylight. I want to do some hood struts and I want to put in some interior panels, so let me grab those. Alright guys, it is dark, it's super dark, there's like no no light right now. Anyways, the car performed excellent. I drove it, I hit it with that 1, 2, 3 thing, chirped through every gear, pretty sweet. But really, car is performing really well. I hadn't driven it in like over a month, so it was nice. I got it out of the driveway. It didn't scrape, surprisingly, and it only scraped into like a really gnarly driveway. Other than that, it doesn't rub. It's perfect fitment, and I can't be happier. I am gonna throw a 10 probably on the back. I'm gonna pick this video up when I put those interior panels in because they're a pain in the ass and can get them in. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to actually get them in there without breaking them. So I will pick you guys up in the next couple days or so whenever I get a chance to work on it. So see you then. Alright guys, so we are ending this video kind of at a photo spot. I'm shooting the car just to get some good shots. There's a lot more that needs to go on this car. I got the hood struts in yesterday. The little interior door sills were kind of a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna save those for another time. Next thing to look out for, inner and outer tie rods will be going in, as well as reinforcing the front end. So reinforcing the strut towers with the OEM BMW strut tower reinforcements, and then that's basically it. But show you the gist of what we did today, or yesterday. Show you the little fitment here. Fitment is pretty good, I can't lie. I mean, this is with the 15 here. It's pretty hard to see, it's getting dark, but fitment's good, it's pretty manageable, it's pretty drivable. The rear, really like the rear, it's a little sunken in. Could use a spacer. I feel like a 10 is gonna be a little too much now that it's settled, but we shall see. That's good, but I don't want to be rubbing everywhere, so I'd probably lay off because it definitely still rubs a little bit. Probably leave these for now, we'll figure it out. But anyways, I mean, that's a gist. Just basically got the fitment pretty dialed in. Now again, I'm just super stoked that I got the fitment pretty good, pretty drivable, so couldn't be more happy about that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Sorry it was a bit of a short one, but more to come. Like I said, 2021 is gonna be a big year, especially for this car. If you guys know me, you would have known if I didn't like this car, I would have sold it by now. So in other words, there's lots more to come. I'm already so deep into this car, there would be no point in selling it. So I am keeping it and I am doing more to it. So keep an eye out. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like if you did enjoy. If not, no worries. Subscribe if you'd like. And that's basically it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.